Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle on your device, and after you are taken into the homepage, you can start your match by tapping on the start button. Now, after you have completed the first few tutorial levels, you will be allowed to set up your username within the game. And if you wish to change it in the future, then from the homepage, just tap on Profile underneath your rank at the top left corner. This will then open up your profile page, from which you will see your current username. Just tap on the pen icon alongside it, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new nickname. Just type in your desired name, and then press the Go button on your keyboard. Once you have proceeded forward, your new username will be set right away, and you can come back to this menu to change your name at any time in the future as well. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.